Hello and welcome to Money Control. Let's catch up on the latest news from the stock market. From significant investments to major deals, quarterly earnings and fundraising, here's a quick look at which stocks will be in focus in today's trade. First up, Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries, Viacom 18 and Disney announced that the merger of the media and Cinema business of Viacom 18 into Star India has become effective following approvals from the NCLT Mumbai, the Competition Commission of India and other regulatory authorities. Reliance has invested around 11,500 crore into the joint venture to support its growth. The JV has allotted shares to Viacom 18 and Reliance as consideration for the assets and cash respectively. The JV will be led by three CEOs who will guide the company into a new era of ambition and disruption. Neeta Ambani will serve as the chairperson of the JV with Uday Shankar as vice chairperson. The second stock that is going to be in focus is ACME Solar Holdings. The company's subsidiary ACME Sun Power has secured a 3,753 crore term loan financing from REC for the development and construction of 320 megawatts of firm and dispatchable renewable energy projects in collaboration with SJVN in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Third stock that is going to be in focus is Hindustan Zinc. If you look at the stock, then it is one of the world's second largest integrated zinc producer and has been awarded a composite license for a gold mining block in Rajasthan through state government auction. The company has been declared the preferred bidder for the Dogacha gold block. Fourth stock that is going to be in focus is Adani Total Gas. If we look at the stock, then GAIL India has announced a further 13% reduction in the allocation of APM gas to the company effective November 16. This reduction applies across the city gas distribution industry and is expected to have an adverse impact on the company's profitability. The company will adjust retail prices for consumers to mitigate the impact of the lower allocation while continuing to provide uninterrupted gas supply to its consumers. Fifth stock that is going to be in focus is Indraprasth Gas. If we look at the stock, then GAIL India, the nodal agency for domestic gas allocation, has announced a further reduction in the domestic gas allocation to Indraprasth Gas, effective November 16. The revised allocation is approximately 20% lower than the previous allocation, which is expected to have an adverse impact on the company's profitability. The government has, for the second time in a month, cut supplies of cheaper domestically produced natural gas to CNG retailers who have warned of their profitability being hit. Indraprasth Gas Limited, the firm that retails CNG to automobiles and pipe cooking gas to households in the national capital and adjoining cities, in a stock exchange filing said domestic supplies have been cut by about 20% effective November 16. Previously, supplies had been cut by about 21% effective of 16th of October. IGL gets domestic gas allocation for meeting the requirement of CNG sales volume at the pricing fixed by the government.